Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you must have already read by the title, in today's video I would be sharing with you the products that I received in my May fab bag. I have already done a April fab bag video last month. If you haven't seen it yet, I would be linking that in the description box down below and somewhere here on the I button. For those of you who are not aware about what exactly fab bag is, so fab bag is basically a monthly subscription bag where you get full size or sample size makeup or skincare products. The retail price of a monthly fab bag is 599 rupees, but if you take a 3-month subscription, 6 months or even a 12-month subscription, then the price per month of the fab bag keeps on decreasing. If you want to know more about the concept of fab bag, I would just link their website in the description box down below and you can check it out for yourself. I received my April fab bag towards the end of the April because I did my subscription towards the end of the April, but because I was already subscribed for the month of May, I received my bag pretty early this time. I received my bag I guess around a week ago, and I would be sharing everything that I have with me in this particular bag. So this is how this month's bag looks like. It is a very like tropical print kind of a bag. I do like the fact that the price range of 599 rupees, you not only get the makeup and skincare products to try, but you also get a makeup pouch, which is very handy when you are traveling. Enough babbling about the beauty of this bag. Now I'll just show you the products that I have inside. Let's start with the 2 cards that I have inside this bag. So first card is just like a simple card which mentions all the products that are present in the bag. So this time we have 5 products, out of which 4 products are full size and there is 1 sample size product. I'll show you each and every product and would be telling you about the price point of the product too. The second card I have in this bag is, it is a contest bag where I just have to click a picture of my May fab bag and just tag them on Instagram, and if I'm lucky I might win a WOC Beauty Stellar matte lip color collection. So yes, this is what the second card says. Now as per the listing on this card, I'll just take out the product one at a time and show you how each and every product looks like. So firstly, let's start with the sample size product. So this is the only sample size product that is present in the bag. It is from Scent Devens and it is their tea tree face wash. I haven't tried this brand before, but I'll just sniff it a little bit. I did receive the bag a week ago, but I haven't opened it yet. So I'm just opening the seal. Okay, it has neem in it, and that is the reason it is actually green in color. It actually smells like neem. So I am not sure how would I like this product, but I'll just try and keep you updated on an Instagram post. If you are not following me on Instagram, I would leave my handle right here. So if you're interested in following me and knowing more about these products that I unbox right here, you should follow me on Instagram. So this was the first product that I have in my bag. Now the next one that I have here is by Palmer's, and it is a coconut oil formula. It is basically the body firming sheet mask. Okay, so now this is pretty interesting. I do have sheet mask, but I haven't tried anything like body sheet mask. I didn't even know that something of this sort existed. So now this particular pack contains, I guess, 2 sheets, and there is instruction mentioned at the back of the pack. These body foaming sheet masks retail for 550 rupees. This particular pack is for 550 rupees, and each pouch contains 2 masks. I am really curious about how would it work. I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not, but there are the instructions mentioned about how to use them. Now because this is a completely new concept for me, I am pretty curious to try it. I don't know whether it will work for me or not. Let's see how does this work for me. Okay, the next product that I have is by the brand Kiva Naturals, and it is their Scuba Drive body wash. Now I honestly thought that this is a sample size product because for a body wash it is less in quantity, but no, it is not a sample size product. It is a full size product, and this particular one retails for 200 rupees and it contains 100 ml of products. It actually smells pretty fresh. It does seemed that the product would lather pretty nice. So let's see how does it work for me. Now the next two products that I have in my bag are actually makeup products. There is one thing about this fab bag. You do get both skincare and makeup products, but you cannot select the skincare products you want. But in the case of makeup products, we can actually select the shade we want. So I was given an option to select the makeup colors, the lipstick and the eyeshadow color that I want. So this is what I selected. The first makeup product I have is by the brand Brick New York, and it is their ultimate matte liquid lipstick. The shade that I have is called Cyber Pink, and this is how the color looks like. I'll just quickly swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. So the applicator is a regular doe foot applicator, and this is how the color looks like. The color is really pretty actually. It does seem a very good color for Indian skin tones. I'm not sure about how the formula on this particular one works because I haven't tried the brand yet. But again, this monthly subscription bag thing is a very good way to try new makeup and skincare brands. So yes, this is the particular lipstick that I have in my May fab bag. Now coming to the last makeup product, or actually the last product that I have in my bag. Last product is something that I haven't heard about before. It is a 5D eyeshadow. Now this is by the brand Teen Teen, and it is a pretty eyeshadow. This is the outer box of the eyeshadow, and this is like the shade that I selected. The shade that I selected is called Rusty Copper, and this particular one retails for 349 rupees. This is how the eyeshadow looks like. Now it is a 5D eyeshadow. I do not know how these like 5D eyeshadows work, but I did actually like the color of this eyeshadow, and I am actually liking the pattern as well, but I am not sure about how is it 5D or anything. I'll just try and quickly swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks on my finger. The color seems pretty, but I don't know why is it called 5D eyeshadow. So this is how the eyeshadow looks like. To me, it is looking pretty normal. It is a normal like a rusty eyeshadow. It's not pearly, it's not glittery. Again, not sure why is it called 5D. I think I should do some research about this particular one and then get back to you maybe with a full review of this with a couple more shades from this brand. Do let me know if you're interested in knowing more about these 5D eyeshadows so that I can buy more colors from this one and try and research about them and let you know, guys. So yes, these were all the products that I have in my May fab bag. Honestly, I'm not very excited about this month's bag. I did like the products that I had in my previous bag, specifically because of the Sugar Cosmetics lipstick that was there in my previous bag. So yes, I'm not very excited because I haven't heard about these products a lot. I haven't tried any of them earlier. I just have one more month of subscription left, and that would be my June fab bag. I just hope that I would be liking the products that I would be receiving in my June fab bag. So do let me know if you have tried this month's fab bag and did you like the products or not, or what experience do you have with monthly subscription bags. Also, I would like to try more monthly subscription bags. If you have anything in your mind which you would like to see or which you would have tried, then do mention that in the comment section down below, and I would love to try more different subscription bags, be it makeup, skincare, or even jewelry. So that's it for today's video. If you liked today's video and would like to see more such videos on my channel, then do not forget to like this video and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.